Hi Cornerstone, it's the middle of the week because I didn't do a video update last week. So I want to bring you up to speed on what's going on, and there have been some things that have been going on. So we're going to take a walk here pretty soon, but I'll just say right up front here that we did get started with our roof project. We had a demolition crew and also a framing crew that have been hard at work this week. We've had a perfect week as far as weather for that. Last week, we had gotten off the schedule of the framer that we had lined up, and so we didn't get anything done last week, pretty much, when it comes to the roof. But this week, it's full steam ahead. We're gonna look at a few things, and then you'll be up to date on what's going on with the building. I do need one more person to help out with the watering, though. So if you're listening to this and you've been holding back and thinking somebody else is going to do it, we do need one more person to water our landscaping. So hopefully the right person is listening. Talk to you later. Out in front here, we've got some nice landscaping. So it looks to me like we've got some privets, some hydrangeas, maybe a skyrocket juniper, some other little evergreens. So we've got a little bit of the evergreen and a little bit of the deciduous plants. All right, then over here, some more little bushes. It looks to me like this is complete. We've got the drywall in, the joints have been taped. Looks like the light fixtures need to be put in, and also, of course, the painting. Around here, we've got a few nice little plants and trees. Beautiful little Japanese maple, and it actually took the transplanting very well. And some other little trees down the way. So this is going to look really nice, especially in the spring when these plants, at least those trees there, are blooming. This poor little tree looks a little crispy, but I'm told that it's going to survive. So yeah, like I said, somewhat of maybe a French sort of look. It's not Versailles, but it looks pretty nice with kind of a mirror on both sides of what's going on with the plant material. All right, we have some more plant material here, and that looks very nice. You can't see actually what is happening up on the roof, but looking up from inside, we can see what's going on, and some more plant material over here. So if you're thinking about helping us out with the watering, all this established stuff doesn't need watering. It's just the new stuff. We need to give it a fighting chance to survive. This is our new firewall. This gives us the 2-hour protection that the fire marshal is looking for. So just to give you an idea of what this looks like, we'll be glad to get that finished. Finish up this whole side. And then once the roof gets repaired, then the drywallers are telling me that it will go very fast. I'm going to hold them to their word on that. Of course, the big news this week has been the start of construction, destruction and construction of our new roof over this part, which we've been waiting for a long time. And as you can see, much of the roof has been removed. You can see right up into daylight, and the weather this week has been just spectacular for roofing work. So that's nice to see. And no, there will not be any skylights in this area. These are the new restrooms, but this is what we've been working on this week. I would tell you to keep your fingers crossed, but that's just superstition. So keep us in your prayers. God bless you. So long.